Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this video, hi, my name is Rashi Waliwal. Today we are doing this glam makeup. You can see its close up. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before diving into the makeup, it's essential to prep the skin. After moisturizer, I'm applying primer only around my nose and nearby areas. Using green corrector over acne marks and orange corrector for pigmentation and dark circles. It cancels out every discoloration of the face. Remember to blend the correctors seamlessly so that they don't peek through your foundation later. Once the correction is complete, concealing that area and evening out the complexion. This step ensures that the base looks natural without any patchiness. I'm using Mars foundation, warmed it up slightly on the back of my hand before applying. Using a dense foundation brush, buffing it evenly across the face and also taking it down to the neck to maintain the consistent tone. With the remaining product on the brush, I created a soft base for my eyes. This acts as a perfect eye primer for smooth eyeshadow application. I'm setting the eye area with a light dusting of loose powder to prevent creasing. For a transition shade, I'm taking a soft base tone and blending it across the upper crease area. This will help other shades to blend effortlessly. Using a medium brown eyeshadow, I'm defining the crease line, gradually building intensity and ensuring a diffused transition using a fluffy blending brush. A clean cut crease, I'm carving out 3/4 of the eyelid using a creamy concealer and setting it lightly with the translucent powder. Packing up with a vibrant turquoise blue shade across the lid. Make sure to tap rather than drag to maintain pigment payoff. To create depth, using a dark brown shade in the outer corner. On the lower lash line, I'm repeating the same turquoise blue with a touch of kajal and blending out with light brown for smoky look. To brighten the central points of my face, under the eyes, nose bridge, chin, jawline and forehead, using a lighter shade of Swiss Beauty concealer. Instead of blending it immediately, take a rest. I'm making sharp contour lines to sculpt my face. After a while, blending the high points with concealer brush. I'm also using the soft brown eyeshadow to contour the sides of my nose. I use different brushes for application and blending. Now it's time to lock everything in place. I'm using loose powder across the face. Remember to take off the excess powder before applying to avoid a cakey finish. For blush, I'm going for a soft pink tint. Blend it upward towards the temple to lift the face naturally. Using a mauve pink lipstick, it's flattering and ties beautifully with the eye look. For brows, I'm defining the arch sharply, then softening the inner corners using a spoolie for gradient and natural finish. To get a lighter, diffuse tone, I'm dabbing a touch of concealer over the lips to make it more nude. Eyes are the star of today's look, so I'm going in with a double wing liner for that bold, expressive finish. This made my eyes look more large and popped. Now comes my favorite step, the highlighter. This is truly a game changer. It brings that dewy, glass skin glow to life. I'm applying it all the high points of my face and also touching between both the wings for that reflective pop. Finally, mascara on, lashes on, and here we go. So this is the final outcome. I'll appreciate if you just take a minute and subscribe my channel. If you want more such videos, comment below.